Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from Techjet. So today I'll be unboxing this Maono podcasting microphone kit, the AU-A04. So this is a new microphone which I bought for YouTube, and today I'll be showing you and unboxing this, and then there'll be a review part to this video also. So firstly, let's start with the unboxing. Firstly, we can see that there's a pop filter in the kit of this, and you can see that there's a big pop filter around one. And now let's go down into the microphone. So over here inside you can see all the components over here, such as the stand over here, right here. Then we have also the microphone parts over here. Also the pop filter is right over here, so let me show you that. This is the pop filter which came with the microphone, and also we have all the other holders and stuff which are the part of the microphone. We have also the actual microphone inside over here, which is right here. Let me open up this packaging. Yeah, this is the microphone, which is the actual one which comes with Maono. I bought this on Amazon.in, and right now you can see all the specs and the price of it. And yeah, let me set it up and then show you guys how is it. So right now, as you can see, I've set up the whole microphone. As you can see right over here, it is completely set up. And yeah, I've attached it to the boom stand and also to the stand at the end over here, as you can see. And yeah, it's on the boom stand, and I'm using this type of the foam type of pop filter instead of the one which came with it also, which is this one, but I'm not using it right now. So yeah, I'm using this one, and let's do some checks, right? So it came up to this boom stand, the microphone which is in there under this pop filter which you can see, and then it has this USB wire which is connecting straight to my laptop through the USB-C hub. And you can see that the boom stand is pretty steady, and it is also flexible, and you can move it in various ways depending on how you need to move your microphone to. This is the recording through the Maono AU-A04 microphone. So you can see that this recording quality is much better than the phone recording quality before. For watching this video in which I reviewed and unboxed the Maono AU-104. But also with this, I have purchased this microphone, the Maono AU-100 with a 6-meter audio cable, and the review and unboxing of that is also coming pretty soon to this channel too. So stay subscribed and please like this video, and see you in this next video. Bye.